Okay, so what we got here today is a Firebird F500 RF linear. This does have a somebody installed a low and high switch on this one, so you can run low and high, low or high. And as you can see, some of the lettering was wore off from the original casing, but everything's been marked out here. You got your excuse me, got your standby, your operate, your power switch on, sideband, AM, and your tuning, and the inside is pretty decent shape. There's a little bit of rust, surface rust down here on the bottom, but other than that, it's pretty nice on the inside, pretty clean. It does have the 6LQ 6 Sylvania green tubes in it, so it does have the really good tubes. Those tubes are extremely hard to find right now, but they are one of your more powerful 6LQ 6s that you can get. The Sylvania green is really good tubes on that. So we'll flip it over here on the back side, on the underneath of it. Underneath is pretty nice and clean too. Just, you know, maybe a little bit of surface rust here and there, but not much at all on that. Caps on it look pretty pretty decent, like they might have been replaced at one time. So those look good there on that as far as that goes. And it's got two 15-amp fuses in it. So I'll get the cases back on this thing and get her hooked in line, and then I'll put another video out on this Firebird 500, and we'll see how she's working. So we'll see you on the next video.